politics. And he's the greatest guy. He's a really, really good guy. And the reason why I use him because he's honest and ethical and everything like that. But he's a little bit, up the spectrum is a little bit. So we had a house today. It was 157 years old. He wouldn't go up to the third level. He goes, "Tell me," and Jake goes, "I'm a little bit leery about going up there. It could be haunted." I'm like going, Dan, he's 157 years old. A lot of people, I said, probably a lot of people died here. He didn't go up to the third floor. What a chicken. Anyhow, love him dearly. So anyhow, but seriously, with bacon, so we had a big, we did a canoe trip and we had a mega breakfast after the next morning. Invited him and his wife out, and it's like, oh my God, this is like the best bacon. It's like going, it's freaking Walmart's bacon. It's good shit. So, lighten up.
So what are we doing with the bacon?
So we're taking it, we're cutting it up into small strips here. Okay? So we're gonna this is for our German sweet and sour beans.
And here we have the broccoli.
Nope, that's not, that's for the soup.
I'm just putting it over here.
Don't mess this process up. This is a very important thing. There's people that have died doing this out of order. Do you realize that? Okay. So first thing we want to do is we want to get some bacon going because we want to get some grease in here. So one of the things I like to use, I have I want a pretty thick pan, and the reason why because I wanted to hold some heat and do it. We're going to do a lot of simmering. So. I have a, oh God, what kind of pan is that for a pot pressure cooker? That's what I like for this, when I make this. So,